Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight.
If you guys get a chance, you definitely need to check out this Freeman like Peace Love Glow multi-mask set. It's really cool. It's got 3 masks right here, and then it's a 7 in a little package. And the one that you guys just saw me demo, I didn't even get to use the whole thing because there was so much and so little went so far. But my skin feels awesome. And just in case you were wondering what moisturizer I use a daily moisturizer that I did post by Canna Cosmetics called Restore. And it has anti-wrinkle cream, apple stem cells, hyaluronic acid, and green tea antioxidants. And so I pretty much found a moisturizer that was like an all-in-one boot for me, so I don't have to wear a whole bunch of different things. And then the little Clinique thing you saw me use is my 96 hour hydro filler Surge Eye. So it's to help the bags, help fill it. Like I have some, not a lot, but some. But yeah, it works. I love Clinique. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys for Fresh Face Sundays or Face Mask Sundays. Stay tuned. Check in with us next week for another Face Mask Sunday. See you later. Bye.